Hey there, super movers. Welcome to my amazing body. Today we're going to wiggle, stretch, clap, stomp, and learn all about how our arms, hands, legs, and feet help us do amazing things every day. Let's start with your arms. Everyone stand up, ready to move? Let's go. Show me your arms. Stretch them high above your head like a superhero. Now wave them around like spaghetti noodles. Bend your elbows like strong robots. Beep, beep.
I hug my dog.
I catch balls.
I reach high for snacks.
You're right. Your arms help you reach, lift, carry, and even give hugs. They're powerful tools for working and playing. Now let's check out your hands. Show me those fingers. Wiggle, wiggle. Twist your wrists like you're opening a jar. Great job.
I write.
I draw cats.
I build with blocks.
Now tell me, what can you do with your hands, wrists, and fingers? Exactly. Your hands help you eat, clap, point, write, draw, and high-five. They're amazing. Let's say our poem together. I use my arms and hands to work and play. I like to move them every day. Now let's move down to our strong, speedy legs and feet. Everyone, bend your knees like you're bouncing on a trampoline. Now march in place. Run in place like you're zooming to the moon.
Run fast.
Jump over puddles.
Dance!
Yes, your legs help you jump, kick, climb, run, and explore the world. They help you move and play every day. I use my legs and feet to work and play. I like to move them every day. Now look at this. These kids are moving their whole bodies. They're dancing, running, jumping, having fun. What do you like to do with your whole body?
Cartwheels.
Ride my bike.
Play tag.
Your whole body helps you work and play. Let's say it together. My whole body helps me work and play. I like to move it every day. Guess what? It's time to make your very own book all about your amazing body. On your first page, draw things you do with your arms and hands. Then, on the next page, draw things you do with your legs and feet. And finally, draw yourself, moving your whole body. When you're all done, make a colorful cover with your name and favorite way to move. You can share your book with your classmates and show off how awesome your body is. You'll only have one body for your whole life, so take care of it. Moving every day helps you stay strong, happy, and ready to learn. Now let's show how proud we are of our strong, healthy bodies. Remember, your arms and hands help you create and care. Your legs and feet help you move and explore. Your whole body helps you play, learn, and live. So keep moving, stretching, and smiling because you are amazing. See you next time, super movers. Keep moving and stay healthy.